coming from my experience, when I first embraced this business of PR, talagang ang naging puhunan ko, um, wala tayong magagawa eh. Kumbaga parang free work. Kumbaga you need to showcase first what you can do. Because it's hard to already expect money agad-agad. 'Di ba? Of course, whenever you do something, you have to make them understand what are you are capable of doing. And the only way for me to do it back then is talagang in a way pro bono. Kailangan, pakita ko lang muna sa inyo yung gagawin namin. In the same word, we're doing a new business now on offshore marketing. Guys, just to be honest, yung service namin sa ibang brands namin in America, pro bono, libre. Kasi that's the way to really start. So, kailangan, pag nagsisimula ka, willing ka magganon muna. Libre or super discounted. Kasi that's how you build client base. And then, for me, ang next point, talagang network. As I entered this business, parang one network led to another. So for example, pagdating sa mga influencers, mayroon akong nakilalang isang mommy, Mommy Lay Almeda. She helped me recruit other moms. And then from then on, dumami na. So she was my initial network. Now, in terms of my other businesses that I'm doing right now, na into the solar panel, into the different things, I realized na network is so important because when you are connected with someone, an opportunity will always arise eh. Parang the more people that you meet, the more na when you talk to them and you tell them, oh, we're doing this business. And then suddenly they will say, oh, you know what, I'm also doing something like this. Can I get you? Can we partner? So yon, network is very important. And as I always say sa mga bata ngayon, yung parang do not burn the bridge. Kasi ako, ang dami kong business partners ngayon, na grabe, boss ko pa from like my first job. Who would have thought na yung boss ko na yon magiging business partner ko or tutulungan ako to a certain level nowadays. Kung naging, siguro, okay ba, kung naging bastos ako na employee, na umalis ako nang may samaan kami ng loob, wala na siya. So yun, that's why I always teach the young kids na minsan nakala mo walang value yung taong kaharap mo ngayon, but in the future, grabe, you don't know how much this person would mean to you.